Good morning, students. In last online session, we have completed operations on the real numbers. There are some problems we have done. We have opened the bracket and we have completed the problems. For today, we will rationalize the denominator. What we have to do? We will rationalize the denominator. So here, example 17. You can refer this example with your textbook also. What it says, rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 2. What it says, rationalize the denominator. We know that whenever a number in terms of p upon q is given, so you know that p is numerator, q is denominator. So denominator is here, and they are saying rationalize. That means you have to convert into a rational number. As we can see, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon square root 2. So we know that 1 is a rational number. But what about square root 2? It is not a rational number, it is irrational number. So what they are asking to rationalize the denominator. Numerator में कुछ भी हो, they don't care. But they don't want irrational number in the denominator. So what we have to do? We have to change this irrational number into the rational number. To do so, what you have to do is very easy. Whatever the number is given in a denominator, you have to multiply and divide with the same number with the original number. So here 1 upon root 2 is given. So what you have to do? Here root 2 is given. So you have to multiply with root 2 and divide with root 2. What I am writing? Because multiply and divide with denominator. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we know that therefore 1 into square root of 2, that is square root of 2. Yes. And root 2 into root 2. Can I write root 2 into root 2 as root 2 into root 2 as it is? Yes, we can write. Now we know that from the identity, square root of a into square root of b is equal to whole square root of a into b. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे because square root of a into square root of b is equal to whole square root of a into b. Yes, can we write like that? We can write like that. So since here a is 2, b is 2, so can we write square root of 2 into 2? So this value can be changed in the form of square root of 2 whole divided by square root of 2 into 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can we write square root 2 as it is numerator, and 2 into 2 is square root of 4. Yes or no? We know that 4 is a perfect square. Perfect square of what? 2. So can we write this as a square root of 2 upon square root of 2 to the whole square? You know that square and square root will get cancelled. Square and square root will get cancelled. So can we write this as a square root of 2 upon 2? Okay. So this is your final answer. Why this is your final answer? Because in the denominator, now it is a rational number. So this value is been rationalized denominator. Okay. यहाँ पे denominator rational number हो गया. So they are asking rationalize the denominator is been done. I hope this question is very clear to you all. So now we are moving for a next problem. So moving on to example number 18, what it says, rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now you can see that in a denominator there is algebraic function, there is a plus and a minus or something. यहाँ पे we have given a plus. So how to convert this form of rational number p upon q into rationalize the denominator? We have to change this denominator into rational number. We will see. So whenever you are getting a rational number in terms of a upon b minus c, plus or minus c, suppose it is plus also or it is minus also, then what you have to do, you have to multiply and divide with, if plus is given, suppose b plus c is given, then you have to choose b minus c, b minus c. Okay, and if a upon b minus c is given, then you have to multiply with b plus c, b plus c. That means if plus is given, you have to multiply and divide with minus term, and if minus is given, you have to multiply and divide with plus term. Is it okay? Is it understood? Yes, it is understood. So now, since we do have a given a value 1 upon 2 plus root 3, since addition sign has been used, what we have to do? Look, additional sign has been used. So what we have to do? We have to choose minus sign and we have to multiply and divide. So what we have to do? Multiply with 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now 1 into 2 minus root 3. Can we write it like 2 minus root 3 itself? Yes. Now look at here. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. So can we write, because क्योंकि a plus b, a minus b is equal to nothing but a square minus b square. Can we write like this? Yes. Where? What is a? Where a is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 3. Can we write like that? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 3. So now put the values over here. A plus b and a minus b is there. So the final answer will be a square minus b square. So in terms of a, we will put 2 square minus root 3 to the whole square. Can we write like this? Yes. So now 2 minus root 3 as it is, there is no change. 2 minus root 3 will be as it is, no change. Here 2 square is 4. Yes or no? And here square root and square will get cancelled. So square and square root will get cancelled. If this both square and square root will get cancelled, the remaining value will be minus 3. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 minus again. Therefore 2 minus 3, 2 minus square root of 3 is as it is. Whole divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. So it will be your final answer. Why it is your final answer? Because denominator is in the rational form now. So we have done what they have asked for. Rationalize the denominator. We have rationalized the denominator. Okay. So now we are moving for a next problem. Example 19, which is the rationalize the denominator of 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. So again it is the same type of problem. We do have 5 upon root 3 minus square root of 5. We know that whenever minus is given, you have to multiply with plus sign and divide with the plus sign too. So since here root 3 minus 5 is given, so what we have to do? 5 upon root 3 minus square root of 5 multiply with square root of 3 plus square root of 5 whole divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write like this. Now what we have to do? We have to we have to multiply 5 with this. So what will be the next step? So 5 bracket root 3 plus root 5. And at the denominator a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. So can we write it as a a square minus b square the identity. So because a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to what? Square root of 3. A is equal to square root of 3 and b is equal to square root of 5. B is equal to square root of 5. So now put the values here and what will you get? Let me erase this from here. Put the next on the next slide. So now we can write therefore you have to write each and every time, each and every step. So 5 bracket square root of 3 plus square root of 5 whole divided by root 3 to the whole square, square root of 3 to the whole square minus square root of 5 to the whole square. We know that square and square root will get cancelled. So this square and square root will get cancelled. Here also square and square root will get cancelled. So what we are writing here? Therefore 5 root 3 plus square root of 5 whole divided by 3 minus 5. Yes or no? Yes. So 5 minus this numerator is as it is 5 root 3 plus square root of 5 whole divided by minus 2. This will be your final answer. And minus 2 is a rational number, so we have rationalized the denominator. Yes, it's right. Okay. So now we are moving for example 20. Moving on to example 20. Again, they have given 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 and we have to rationalize the denominator. So the question is given as 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Since plus is given, what we have to multiply with? Minus sign in numerator and minus sign in denominator. Multiply and divide with the different sign. Since plus is given, so you have to choose minus. So here also plus is given, so what you have to choose? Minus. So 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 multiply with 7 minus 3 root 2 whole divided by 7 minus 3 root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 will be as it is. So can we write as a, but let it be, we will write in a next slide. So it will be simple multiplication, there is a no change. But here a plus b, a minus b. So because a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Yes or no? Yes. Where a is equal to what? 7. B is equal to what? 3 root 2. 3 square root of. Yes or no? Yes. So a and b is given. So let me write in the next slide. So 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 will be as it is. So 7 minus 3 root 2 will be as it is, and here a square minus b square we have to write. So a is 7 to the whole square minus 3 root 2 to the whole square. Yes or no? Yes. So now 7 minus 3 root 2 we can write as it is. 7 minus 3 root 2 you can write as it is. What is 7 square? 7 sevens are 49. Yes or no? Yes. Now here you do have two numbers which have been multiplied also and they do have a square also. So listen to me very carefully. What you have to do, initially you have to do 3 square. What you have to do, 3 square bracket square root of 2 to the whole square. हमने क्या किया, इन दोनों को खोल दिया. We have opened it up. So now we know that we will write it again. 7 minus 3 root 2 will be as it is whole divided by 49 minus 3 square is 9. Yes or no? And square root will get cancelled. Square and square root will get cancelled. So another value we are getting is 2. Yes or no? Yes. So now therefore 7 minus 3 square root of 2 will be as it is here. 49 minus 9 2s are, that is 18. Yes or no? So therefore 7 minus 3 root 2 will be as it is. And what is 49 minus 18? That is 41. That is 31, I think. So 31 will be your denominator, and it is a rational number. Yes or no? So it has been, it is right. It has been rationalized. So value 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 is being rationalized to 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31. So it is your final answer. So till example 20 we have completed. I am giving you practice work. You can write it down. Exercise 1.5, question number 5. Exercise 1.5, question number 5. Homework. Exercise 1.5, question number 5. It will be your homework. It is having the same problem as we have done. Rationalize the denominator, and I think it is very easy. Only practicing is required. So practice well. That is how you will grip in the mathematics. So till then, thank you so much.